Hi, my name is John Mavro. My name is Micah Dubinsky.
My name is Fanny Rabinovich-Kuzmitsky, and I am a producer
Whoa,
slash...
What's going on here, man? We're supposed to start at 12.
It's noon already?
Yeah.
Were you supposed to be me?
No.
My name is Micah Dubinsky, and I'm the director and the director of photography for the Mavro Show.
I'm Fanny Rabinovich-Kuzmitsky, and I'm producing and doing the marketing for the Mavro Show.
My name is John Mavro. I'm the creator, writer, and one of the stars of the Mavro Show.
I've been shooting video for about 5 years.
I currently work in advertising,
I've been acting in movies and TV shows and commercials for the past 5-6 years.
but I'm also kind of fascinated by this whole world of TV.
Recently, I went on a trip to the West Coast to film music videos and nature videos.
I'm not good looking enough to be a prostitute, and I'm not fast enough to be a marathon runner, so TV is really my only option.
I'm excited to be part of this project and getting to be closer to the actual production.
I pretty much just get to do whatever I want. Man, come on, I'm not...
And I've never been more... You know what, John?
I started shooting indigenous tribes in the
Okay,
Amazon. I
okay,
shot...
cut. We're gonna need to reshoot that. What you just said is not true.
I was going to talk about Juno, how I directed Juno.
You didn't direct Juno, John.
Okay, you know what? Micah, everybody out! What are you doing?
What am I... Man.
Why are you embarrassing me?
Whoa. Come on, man. So get online and vote for us.
At comedycoup.cbc.ca/The Mavro Show.
And from all of us here at the Mavro Show...
Got your coffee, Mr. Mavro?
Are you kidding right now? Who is this guy? Get out of here!